Welcome to Dean's channel, Laura Dean. So here we go. Blueberries. Yes, it's gonna be included in this in collard greens. I thought I had spinach, but I ended up buying collard greens. Confused, but it worked out and it tastes perfectly fine, you guys. So I'm just basically taking it out of the bag. I freeze them up so they do not get messed up. So now I am cleaning them and unfreezing them. They're still cold, but it still works. So we're cleaning this and making sure there's no kind of bugs or anything. So always clean your vegetables. Always. So as I do that, okay, I'm looking through them. Okay. Now I am going to get my little board, my cutting board, and I am going to take about 3 bananas, okay? So I'm going to get my knife and open it up so I can cut my banana. This part is not really necessary to cut it. You can cut like half or 3 cuts, but I'll be a little bit extra. You understand what I'm saying? But it's okay. Just cutting away. That was not really necessary, but I did that anyways. Okay, so as we're done with that, cutting all of them, now we're gonna put that to the side, and here's our 2 ingredients that you're gonna need, and I'm going to show you the 3rd ingredient you're gonna need is the blueberry. Okay, they are your 3 main ingredients that you're gonna need. Okay, blueberries and collard greens and banana. Don't forget. Let's get ready to do this blending. Okay, so we're gonna add those ingredients inside the blender. Okay, so we're gonna get this thing shaking. Okay, so the next step I'm going to do now is basically I am going to take milk and honey. Yes, I said honey. So I'm not trying to use sugar. I'm trying my best to stay away from sugar and replace it with honey. Raw honey. I bought at my local Walmart. So this is how it looks like, okay? 100% honey. It tastes really good, not that bad. So I'm going to use 2 cups of milk. I'm not going to use regular milk. I am going to be using almond milk. That's what I'm using. It's unsweetened. It's the original one. That's what I'm using. Breeze from Walmart costs about like $4 to buy a gallon of milk, but it's okay. It's worth it. So we're gonna add 2 cups, and as the honey is going down, because it was hard, just in the fridge, I didn't turn it around, but hey, we're gonna pour that thing. So as you can see, the honey is taking its precious time to just drip and drip. It's not looking so good on MJ. Like, yeah. Okay, so here we go. that process didn't work out, so I use my finger. Okay, faster. And the second round, so I used 2 tablespoons of honey. 2. I don't want to use too much. We're trying to be careful here now and be healthy. And it's all going to be blended together. Yes, there we go. The power of a blender. And yes, I use all those options except ice. And this is the result of how it looked like when it's done blending. It looks green. Yeah. So now we're going to move on to the next thing. We're going to use this step over and over until you get the juice well puree, if I'm pronouncing it right. But you're going to see what I mean. So we don't want the leafy tasting type of thing jigging in our throats. So I'm just going to basically be stirring this over and over and over again. So if you want to fast forward this, go ahead. But I'm going to show you guys an in-view picture of how it looks like after it's done, and a picture because my camera died after this. So I put in a half cup of almond milk because it wasn't enough, because I didn't want to get all that thrown in the garbage. Okay, so I am going to show you guys a picture of the smoothie in a cup and some Haitian rice and beans with egg fried rice. Okay, I don't know how to say it, but I use white rice, but I use it with beans too, kidney beans. And let me tell you, it tastes so good. If you want to see the next video, let me know and I'll show you. I have a picture of it, so look at the picture. If you want to see a video of it, I do have a video of it, so thumbs up if you want to see more videos of me cooking and doing smoothies. Okay, enjoy that end video. Don't leave the video, look at the photo. Okay, thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and comment below if you want to see how I did that rice. Okay, alrighty.